Hi, my name is Rich Harrington, Chief Product Evangelist for Luminar AI, and I'm here today to answer this frequently asked question. In order to install your Photos for macOS extension, go to the Apple menu and choose System Preferences. Locate Extensions and select Photos Editing. Check the box next to the extensions that you want to use. Make sure Luminar AI is selected. Then, launch Photos for macOS. Select a photo you want to edit. Click the Edit menu, and if RAW, switch to the RAW file. Now, from the drop-down menu here, choose Luminar AI. The file is handed off from Photos from macOS. The file is handed off from Photos for macOS to Luminar. You'll see that it recognizes the contents and makes a suggestion. And you can try these different options out to see if any of them work well for you. I like natural. It's a nice subtle change. I can click the before and after to see it. Templates are meant to be customized, so I'll switch on over and click the Edit menu. What I want to do is just erase a few things here. Zoom in and feel free to paint over any areas that you want to erase. Then click the Erase button. It'll analyze and come up with new pixels. Sometimes the Erase tool leaves a little bit of visual artifacts. Press Command plus and Command minus to zoom back in and out, and you'll often see that it's corrected. Let's go ahead and fit the image, and I'll just quickly enhance this. We'll use Accent AI to further enhance the picture, and a little bit of structure. With the Details tab, I'm going to bump up the details here just a little bit to bring out those feathers. And put a slight vignette on this photo. When ready, I can click Save Changes, and the results are returned to my Photos for macOS library. There's the change. If you ever need to, you could choose Image Revert to Original to restore your original photograph.